Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to view your TikTok followers list. First step is open TikTok app, then log into your account. I'm already logged in. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. On your profile page, click on the follower option. You will see a complete list of your followers with username. Tracking your followers on TikTok is in simples. In these simple steps, you could get a detailed pictures of a number of people following you on TikTok along with their username.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.